I was totally devastated because last week I dropped my iPad 2 outside my car and it created several cracks across the screen, plus I chipped the corner on the left bottom. I was devastated and found a good solution in North Miami.
Tell me a little about what the most common repairs are for your store.
We mostly do cell phones and any electronics repair, like iPads, iPods, GPSs. Sometimes we do some laptops, like Mac computers and PC computers.
Okay. And how long has the store been around?
It's been around for a year. We have another store in Biscayne and 79th Street. It's been there for more than 3 years.
Okay. And you also sell phone plans too, right? Or phones?
We do sell plans for any cell phones. And yes, that's pretty much it.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.